What are you doing? Are you playing in the snow? Run around! Run around in the snow! Come on! It's so bright out here, isn't it? What is that? Is that snow? Are you in your snowsuit? Your coat's a little tight. Sleeves are short. We gotta get rid of that coat. You don't like the snow? Come on. Move hand. Come on. See, you walk in the snow. Just walking in the snow. It's hard, huh? Here's the snow. Didn't get that much. Maybe 3, 4, maybe closer to 4 inches, but Brian's out of town. We're here by ourselves. Wanted to go to the zoo, but yesterday, but it was too cold and too windy. Huh. You're probably still a tad bit too little anyway. Ooh, Mama's cold too. But I got you all bundled up, huh? Yeah. What do you want to do? You want to swing? Do you want to swing? It's kind of covered in snow, but Mama can take the snow off. Come here. Here's the swing.